Come with us now on a journey through time and space.
Hello, you're listening to the sounds of Salford and Bob's Time Machine.
How much you mean to me. There must be some other way to make you see. If it takes my heart and soul, you know I'd pay the price. Everything that I possess, I'd gladly sacrifice. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby, oh, baby. To you I guess I'm just a clown who picks you up each time you're down. Oh, baby, oh, baby. You give me just a taste of love to build my hopes upon. You know you got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me. Oh, baby. Though you're close to me, we seem so far apart. Maybe given time, you'll have a change of heart. If it takes forever, girl, then I'm prepared to wait. The day you give your love to me won't be a day too late. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing. Oh, baby, oh, baby. To you I guess I'm just a clown who picks you up each time you're down. Oh, baby, oh, baby. You give me just a taste of love to build my hopes upon. You know you got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me. Oh, baby. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. Yes, I need you, baby. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing. Oh, baby, you are everything to me. Can't you see? You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing. Oh, baby, oh, baby, you're everything. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing. Oh, baby, you're the sweetest, oh, baby.
Hello, Salford. That was The Real Thing with You To Me Are Everything, and that's going out there for our lovely Golden Girls. Yes, I love their show. And they played this the other day on their Facebook page, and it got me thinking, you know. It took me right back to my disco days, and I thought, how about having a bit of disco music? Not had that for a long time, so here we go.
On the wings of the air, there is nothing out there.
Yes, the Bee Gees with Night Fever. God, that takes me right back to my disco days when I used to wear bell-bottom pants and stacked shoes and highly patterned penny round collar shirts. I looked a right prat. But anyhow, here's another one for you. It's Yvonne Elliman, If I Can't Have You. Fantastic that. How about a bit of Tina Charles and I Love to Love?